Seagulls. Pigeons with bad attitude. In some cultures associated with death and chaos. Generally bad fucking omens. Territorial, ruthless, and aggressive. They'll invade new territories, take what they want, and terrorize the weak. We'll also steal your fridge. Sandwich. I meant sandwich.
Kurva!
Seagulls are unnecessary loud, mostly feed on chips and child's tears. Will also prey on smaller birds, rodents, or even their own kind. They will eat and drink almost anything, including garbage. If left unchecked, can disrupt ecosystems, leading to population declines of other species in some areas, and once they're there, almost impossible to get rid of. Essentially, bloodthirsty, disease-carrying menace, so keep the fuck away when you see one.
Первые воздухи, первые... Положите, пожалуйста. Первые воздухи, первые...